Go to the Marketing tab on your dashboard and then click on Email Campaigns. We will talk about on event emails. You will see the email events added to your list of campaigns. If you wish to edit a new one, select one from the many events that we have created for you. Let's go into an email and we will show you how to edit it and set an on-event email. You can edit a template to any way you like. Your logo will be automatically pulled into the email, at the top. You can edit the text and the rest of the content to your desire. If you don't remember how the tools work, you can go back and watch previous videos on how to edit certain tools. When you are done with creating your event mail, go down to the bottom and you will be met with a drop-down list stating, Send Type. You can then select on event, as this is one of the events that you will be sending out. Select the event type that you will be sending out. The event type must go hand in hand with the email you have created. There are a variety of event type options and you can select one that fits with the content of your email. You can then set your email status to active and update, or if it is a new mail, submit it. You can then leave it to be automatically sent to your customers. You will then be able to run your business while we handle the marketing.